Hi friends, it's a balmy 0 degrees. I'm here to give you some snacks. Would you like one? Let's see what I can do. Oh, here you go. There's one. Wait, put it in your mouth, man. I dropped it. Get another one here. Okay. Here you go. Come on. Okay. Here, mule. Can be aggressive with me? A little bit. Okay. There you go, mule. Want another one? Okay. I think I've got... Oi, here's another mule. They're kind of aggressive. Here you go, buddy. Oi! Oh, my finger out! Wow, my finger! Oi! Here's another horse. What I was just doing is the exact way you should not hold a cube when feeding a mule or a horse. You should hold it like that. Oh, it's windy. Whew. Blustery. I don't know where that other one is. I dropped it over here somewhere. I think I'm out. No more. Sorry. On the ground here somewhere. I'm going to continue my walk and they're going to stalk me everywhere I go, even though I'm out of cubes. Stay frosty. Bye-bye.